Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my street style store haul. So I purchased some items many months ago and I'm finally filming the video, and most of them failed for me, I'll be honest. If you want to jump directly to the haul, I'll leave a timestamp on the screen. I just want to share a backstory before. So what happened a few months ago is I literally did not have any clothes to wear. I mean any good clothes to wear. All of them were so old. I hadn't bought anything since the lockdown started, because I usually buy clothes before traveling because I want to wear new clothes when I travel. So I did not buy anything, and then I realized I don't have any good clothes. I have all these very old clothes with old energy. I just wanted some refresh. So I googled where to buy clothes from. I did not know about Urbanic that time. I came across Street Style Store, and the clothes looked so cute. They were too good to be true. They were also very cheap. So I of course saw some reviews on YouTube, and most of them were bad. They all said it's not that great quality, but some of them looked good. And there were these two tops I really loved, and I just wanted to take a risk. I'm like, let's see. In my mind I knew it's gonna be bad, but I don't know what I felt. I just thought like, let's just waste my money. So I bought a few clothes, and I'll be sharing my views on these clothes. So let's get started now. The first top is this really cute top. You must have seen me wear this all the time. I literally wear this all the time. This is my uniform. Once I like something now, I keep wearing the same thing. The quality is not that great. I mean, it feels plasticky, but this one looks really good, at least in photos. If I actually look at it, it actually looks really old and very dull, but in pictures it just looks so good. And it has this elastic here, so it makes my stomach also look slimmer. I wouldn't like recommend this site because the quality is not that great. They are not gonna last for a long time. But if you are on a budget and you just want to look cute, I think there's no harm in getting just a few pieces. Like for example, this top right here, this is so cute. It is very deep neck. I mean, this part is like fully khula, so I put safety pin here. So this is my most favorite top. The next top is this really popular top from the Street Style Store. I've seen so many people wear this, and it looks really cute on the site in the picture, but in real life the color looks different. I did not expect it to be like this. I mean, it looks okay in pictures, but I did not really like it. I don't reach out to this top a lot. The only thing I liked about it is the style. I like these kind of elastic tops because it makes my stomach look slimmer, and also the sleeves are pretty cute, but I didn't really like this kind of color. And when you look closely, it looks very plasticky again, not good quality. Looks okay, but I won't recommend this. The next top is also very similar, and also the sleeves are quite same, and this looked really good on the side, but in real life it doesn't look that great. The color is also not quite exact. I think because of the cloth ka quality, the color looks like that. Very bad material, and this is how it looks like from close. I didn't really like it, didn't like the finish of it. I don't think I've ever worn this before, but I plan to wear it because it does look cute, I'm not gonna lie, but the quality is bad. The quality for all the three tops I showed is very similar. It's made of a similar cloth, but I somehow really like this top. The next top is this turtleneck top. Now this is the top I really liked. Apart from the purple one, this is not that bad quality. It's very similar to the Urbanic white tops I got. It doesn't look that bad, okay, and it looks very good. So this was a great purchase. I got one more very similar top in green color, like a bright green color, but that had a defect. It was made wrongly. You know, this part, this neck wala part was very small. It just had this much gap. Even a baby wouldn't fit through that. Like the head didn't go through, only that it stuck right over here. So that was like a manufacturing defect. That it would have looked cute, but it wasn't made properly. Didn't return it. They don't have a return option. They have only exchange option. So you can buy the same top in different size in case it doesn't fit you. But what happens is, if you go to exchange a top and the size which you want is not available, then you get store credit. So what happened with that green top is I clicked on exchange and it was out of stock. Since it was out of stock, there was a store credit option, so I returned it and I got store credit in return. The next is this black top right here. Now this also looks really cute. Quality is not that great, like it's very flimsy, kind of see-through. The net is also not that great quality. It just looks very cheap, but it looks cute in pictures. I mean, what can I say? Every time I wear any of these tops, people ask me from where I got. They apparently love it, and actually they do look cute in photographs. That's why people ask me on Instagram. If they see this in real, they wouldn't like it at all. I love the style of this though. The next top is a t-shirt. It looked really good on the side. It looks quite okay in real life too. I mean, it's not that bad, and it has this peachy kind of color and very deep neck, so I don't reach out to this a lot because it's too deep. But yeah, it's not that bad. The quality is almost same like the turtleneck top I showed. Let's move on to bottom wear now. So this is the first pair of pants I got. This looks really stylish, okay? I did see a lot of reviews on it. I knew how it's gonna be. Is this really weird cloth material, okay? It's not like a pant material. It has this thing you can tie and it's high waist. So on crop tops, this looks really stylish. But the cloth is not what you expect it to be. It's very clothy. Like, how to explain it? Chhata kind of material. By mistake, I added this to cart twice. So I received 2 of these pants. Kitni gadhi thi main. So I gave one to my cousin. The next are these pants. Now they also look quite cute. The material again, not good. It's not that breathable, so I don't reach out to this a lot. This is a bit tight for me. So another reason why I don't reach out to this a lot, because there are no pockets. I had ordered one more pants, very similar. It was red in color, but I had ordered a smaller size for some reason, so it did not fit me at all. It wouldn't come above my bum. So I returned it. I actually returned a lot of tops. So what I did is I clicked on exchange, because they of course don't have return, and I selected a size purposely which is not available, so that I get store credit, because I didn't want the same piece again. So that is something you can do unless the customer service answers your calls. The customer service is really dumb. They have the same robotic responses. Whatever you ask for, the same thing they'll copy paste. So the customer service is not that great. The next thing are these joggers. I got this specially for the color. It looks really pretty and it looks also good. Fits also properly. The only problem is the material. It's not that great. It's not breathable. I feel suffocated when I wear this for some reason. Like, I sweat, my legs sweat when I wear this. So that's why I don't wear it a lot. I might wear it when it's very cold, even though it's not that thick, but it makes me feel hot. This is again a pair of shorts. This one is not that bad. The quality is okay, not bad. And this also looks quite cute, but this is way too short, okay? Whenever you sit though, it completely goes above. So that's the only con of this. I think this looks really cute if you want to wear for sleeping or something. There was one more top I ordered. It was a spaghetti strap top. Same cloth like this, like print, everything is same. They had made it from the same cloth, I believe. That was again very sticky, like not breathable. It just did not seem right, so I gave it to my cousin. I'll share more clothes which went wrong for me. So there was this winter sweat jogger, black in color. It was not bad, but I just didn't like it. It was way too hot for me and I just didn't feel like having it. So I again exchanged it, and it was out of stock, so that's why I got store credit. There was one more one shoulder full sleeve top. Now this one would have looked cute, but it was wrongly made. Like, there was just no way my hand would fit in that, and it was just very weirdly made. So I again exchanged it. It was out of stock, so I got store credit. So now those were all the clothes. Now I had a lot of store credit. I didn't know what to do with it. I of course didn't want to buy more clothes because they are not that great quality, even though some might look cute. So a lot of people told me that Street Style store has really good quality shoes, like chappals and all. So there was nothing to lose. I mean, I already had store credit. Instead of wasting them, I just ordered shoes in that case. Little spoiler, all of them look really cute, but none of them are good quality. They are not gonna last you long. they make my feet pain. They are not comfortable to, you know, walk. So they are only good for taking pictures, or if you want to go out but not walk a lot. If you will be sitting the whole time and you just want good outfit, then these are good. But if you want to walk, then I wouldn't recommend them. The sole is not very comfortable for any of these shoes, and they make sound while walking. But if you want cute chappals to wear at home or something, then maybe you can get them. The first pair are these green flats. I got these because of that pointy thing they have, and the color also looked really interesting. They look really fashionable. By the way, everything I got is in size 39, and luckily they all fit me perfectly. Again, they are not very comfortable to walk in. I've worn these a lot of times for dinners and stuff. Next are these leopard print flats. They look very bougie, I think. I had carried it with me while traveling, so in hotel and all, like while going for food, I wore these mostly. I mostly prefer to wear this at home only, or if you're doing like a pajama party or something, I feel they look really cute. So next are these lace flat. Again, this looks really cute. All of them look cute, I'm not gonna lie, but the sole is not great for any of these. The next are these red bow flats. These look very cute according to me. I wear this at home all the time, and if you look at them in real life, you can make out how cheap the bottom part of it is. Like, it's not gonna last you long at all. These are pink flats. I feel they look really cute, especially on kurtas. I have a lot of pink kurtas and they really go well with it. This has to be my favorite pair. I ordered one more pair of flats, but they cancelled it from their side. I don't know if it went out of stock or something, so they gave me exchange credit again. So I have like 300 rupees worth ka credit, and I don't even want to use it because if I just buy one pair of chappal, it's more than 300. It's around 400, 500. So I don't want to waste my 200 to save my 300, you know. So I've just let it be. I have that 300 store credit. It's just getting wasted. But the site didn't have anything below 300 for me to buy. So I'm like, Jane do, I don't want to waste more money to save that. Even though some of the items look really cute, I wouldn't like recommend this site because they are not gonna last you for a long time, and they don't look that great in person. The quality doesn't look that great unless you just want them for cute pictures. So yeah, it's entirely up to you. I just gave my opinion, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and sometimes Wednesday. And today's comment shout out goes to Ishita. Thank you so much for your comment. And yeah, that's it. Please don't leave without subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.